Miss Reina. What you going to do today?
I'm gonna open mommy present.
Okay. Do you need help? Uh-oh.
What's this?
Show me. I think that's a keyring.
Earring. This one. This one. Perfume. Perfume. Clothes. This rather than
I can tell you want me.
this.
I can show you how. Make it out, make it out.
It's the life. This and then the big.
Don't drop it.
This.
Oh, is that for you?
Yes.
This is for you. Oh, Reina looks so beautiful. And what's in there? That little box.
It is
No, that one, that one.
this one.
Yeah.
I'll take this. What's this? It's very long.
Oh, pencil? That's for you and Ryan. Ooh. You like that?
And it's
A little perfume. Oh, so tiny.
tiny perfume. Little tiny. I want to open it.
Reina.
Fly me to the moon and let me play them all. Let me see.
Kau thank you, Nico.
Thank you.